You ever notice how Cebuanos and Canadians have completely different strategies at a buffet? Like it's a life or death situation for us Cebuanos. For Canadians, it's just lunch. I took my Canadian friend to a buffet one time and I almost disowned him. The guy walks in, looks at the food and says, "I'll just get a little bit." A little bit? Meanwhile, I'm over here calculating my battle strategy like a general in a war movie. I scan the whole buffet like, okay, carbs at 12 o'clock, proteins at 3, seafood backup at 6, dessert is heavily guarded, we attack last. I grab my plate like a Cebuano warrior. First rule, wale hunaway sa plato. No empty spaces. You ever see a Cebuano's plate at a buffet? It looks like a mountain about to collapse. Food is defying gravity. There's shrimp balancing on top of lechon, which is sitting on a foundation of pancit, with some lumpia acting as the security guards on the side. The only thing missing is a flag on top. My Canadian friend? His plate has like a single broccoli, a spoonful of rice, and one shrimp. One shrimp. I said, "Bye, are you okay? Are you sick? Do you have food allergies? Do you have debt?" And then he goes, "I just want to pace myself." Pace yourself? Bye, this is not a marathon, this is survival. Cebuanos don't pace at a buffet. We race. There's an unspoken rule. Eat 3 times your entrance fee or you're a disgrace to your ancestors. And let's talk about the refills. A Cebuano finishes one plate and immediately goes for round 2 like it's a boxing match. The moment the waiter clears my plate, I nod at him like, "Good luck bro, I'm coming back." Meanwhile, my Canadian friend has eaten 2 bites and is now contemplating life. I'm like, "Bye, why are you sitting there sipping water looking out the window like a dramatic teleserie character?" By the time I'm on plate #5, he's still on plate #1, still with that one shrimp. I swear I've seen snails move faster than this guy. Then the most painful part, dessert. Cebuano rule #2, even if you're full, there is always space for dessert. We treat the dessert table like a closing ceremony. "Thank you, Leche Flan, for your service, my Canadian friend." He just sips his coffee and says, "I'm full." Full, bye, wapa, gani kanakabawi sa imong entrance fee. You paid $40 for one shrimp and a broccoli. You didn't eat a buffet, you sponsored it. That's why the next time I go to a buffet I'm bringing only Cebuanos. Because we understand the mission. Eat like it's our last meal on earth.